having high winds. We actually had a tornado warning, or watch, not warning. And I saw the coop door. Well, this was connected, pulled it right off. I don't know where the screws are, so I'm going to try to fix this real quick. Okay, I don't want to put it in the same holes, but I need it to go, to be able to go on and off. Let's see here. That looks like it'll work. I'm going to use one really long, well, not really long, but longer one, since there's another piece of board back there. All right, that works. Definitely think the door got wrenched some, but I can get that closed and put the carabiner on it. Yep, always an adventure.